Usimbun Myntri rangba bakmi ikatnat PWD roads ba Preston Tensong hakasni balang ula lum ya ke Jingïalang bantip ya ke Jingïaid jong kekam bansna ya ke Surok Shillong Dauki par ke Jingsim jaka na ke benta bansna ya ke Surok Shillong Western Bypass. Abai kren berkinong thok bor ba Preston la itu ba ula lum ya ke Jingïalang bat ke National Highways bat Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL pat kitnat sorkar ba pera na ke benta ke Jingsna ya ke Surok Shillong Dauki pat ya ke Shillong Western Bypass bat ya menta barok ke kila ya ha kalenti ke badai.
I do a review meeting with the NHSL and then all the concerned department for the implementation of Shillong Dauki Road, and number 2 is for the Western Bypass. So right now everything is on track, and as far as Western Bypass is concerned, even the possession of land has been partly handed over to the NHIDCL. Both the DCs, one is from East Kassim and number 2 is from Riboy district. So land possession has been handed over partly, and very soon I'm very sure we'll be able to hand over the entire stretch of this road length, whatever, to the NHIDCL, because the work order also has been issued to the contractors.
What is the progress of work in regards to the Shillong Dauki Road, sir?
Well, the Shillong Dauki Road work is has just started again. I think you must have seen it, be it the full lane or be it the package 2, package 1, package 2 and package 4. They have just started, and I'm very sure. Of course, I don't have the percentage of work done, but maybe very soon I will get all the details from the NHIDCL.